gamers. Oh. Saturday, 1 p.m. Eastern. How you doing? Hope everyone's hanging in there. We gotta be working our Click and Play game in Windows 98. So, let's get to work on our Click and Play game in Windows 98. Let's do that. You know what happened? There was an update to NVIDIA Broadcast that I just installed. And I guess I shouldn't have just installed it, because look at this shit. Now I'm over here. That's cool. Real cool. Stupid is what it is. I don't even know what to do with this. I don't even remember how I had this set up before. Like, look at this. All of them. Well, this one's fine. I guess I can steal that one. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know. It's frustrating. Least of my worries right now. Alright. Let's see. It is February 1st, 2025, 13 o'clock and 5 minutes. Oh, Lord. Oh, man. I am doing shit mentally. Absolute shit, but maybe this will help distract me. Working on this game. Let's see what we can do today. Why? For the same reason anyone else working in Washington, D.C. feels like shit. For like the past week, 2 weeks. Is this coming back? There it goes.
Ding, 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 ding. Welcome to Windows 98. Why are you still using Windows 98? What is wrong with you? Stop buying computers from thrift stores, man!
Alright, so, let's see. How do we do this? Pop that sucker open. Good old 35%. Good and old 35%. Alright. Alright, last we left off, I think we were working on pickups. Megastar, thanks for the bits. Good job fixing your laptop. You did it. You did it. You did it. Okay, we were working on counters, I think. Where did we leave off? Can we collect this? Yeah, unfortunately we can collect that, so that's great. Quite unfortunately. Okay, we need the label for the pickup. Let's work on that. I don't remember what it's called. The file that has all the stuff we used for that. What is this? Oh, this is when we were starting on Laura. I don't remember why we took a screenshot of this, but I definitely don't remember what that triangle was for, but... Oh, I took a screenshot of the health bar because I wanted to do something with that. Okay. Funny ideas to smile to. Lara Croft Climby Shooty, Jumpy, Jimmy Hopkins Beat 'em Up, Diddy Kong, Max Payne clone, point and click. Why did we think a Diddy Kong Max Payne clone was a good idea? What the fuck? Copter. Let's see. Where is this? Just need the font we were using. I just don't remember what it would be called. I figure it would start with an S for Sonic or something. Maybe it's at the bottom here? Wouldn't it be higher up since this is sorted by when we used it? I'm not sure. Crackhead. You know what? This is... Okay, I was about to say this is silly. Let's just go grab it from the Spriter's resource, but I believe that shit doesn't even work on this browser anymore. Because everything on the internet has to run through 4 trillion fucking layers of, like, JavaScript and certificates and bullshit now. Maybe it's in here? I guess I can go check anyway. At this point. Do I use Sea Monkey? It's Retrozilla. I don't know what else would work on Windows 98. Chameleon? I don't know if that's any better or not, though. I really don't know, like, what the correct thing to use on Windows 98 is. Okay, Sonic, Sega Genesis. Just stop loading the page before we get anywhere. Thank you, Shingo, for reminding me to add more shit to the block list. I don't want this fucking bullshit discussed in my chat. Okay? Fucking stop it. I don't goddamn care. Where even is that? There we go. There we go. Alright. Let's see now. Okay, hopefully this doesn't shit out since we stopped it before it loaded the images. I guess from the bottom. Oh, no, it didn't finish loading. Look at that. It got halfway through this. Okay, maybe if it starts loading images, that means it loaded enough that we can get to what I need. Nope, it's about to shit out. You know, maybe it would help if they didn't just upload every single fucking stage of the game to this as an individual sheet, like anyone needs that. I guess I'll just search. I'll try to do a search. But what am I gonna search for? You know what? Fuck this. Yep, see? Exactly what I thought. This bullshit. Just do it the wrong way. Oh, right, I forgot. Google doesn't work on this anymore either. Great. Good. 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 fucking said I don't want to hear about it. If you come back on your alt, I'm banning you for real. I'm not doing this bullshit. There it is. We did already have this, I just have no idea where it is. Okay. Now we just have to get all the letters in place and have it match up with this coloring. Okay. There's a 1 pixel space in between them. Like that. That letter looked unusually wide, but that's how it is in the actual HUD, so whatever. Like, it took me a second to kind of stare at it and figure out what the fuck's going on. Oh, god damn it. Who's Kate? Who's Katie? That's Katie. That's the famous Sonic the Hedgehog character, Katie. Don't you know your Sonic characters? I really hope I'm spelling this correctly and not just like skipping over like troves of words because I'm stupid. Funny moments. That's spelled correctly. Okay, I'm good. Let's see. That part's the same, then we have the white stripe through the middle. How far up is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, there's 4 pixels and then the stripe. 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's right here. That's the stripe. Gotta keep it consistent across. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's kind of like that, partially down there. I think that's all lined up. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's lined up. Okay, that's fine. Where's the asterisks? Pretty sure we were using asterisks. Like that. Okay. Then we just want to grab this and make it its own thing.
Holy crap!
That. All the way in. Alright. Oh, hold on. I just realized it has like a different color to it. That's better. know what? This is gonna be a little easier if we just do this. This I thought it would have been. Am I stupid? There we go, okay. Still fucked up the coloring on the... I was calling this asterisk. This is not an asterisk. It's not even close to an asterisk.
Holy crap!
There we go, okay. This window will just fuck off to the side for now. We don't need it. In this layout, there we go. Now we have funny moments. There, okay. Funny moments. Good. Good. I'm still not sure if the lives counter is functional, but maybe it is. Alright. So that's the thing tangled up in my wires. That's the base of that. Trying to think if there's much more we need to do, or if we can just start making stage. I mean, I guess we can kind of just start making the stage, can't we? Trying to snap two back on. We hide these holes. We have copies of the holes available. Put the funny moment off screen. Say the entrance is here. And we have a blank slate to make a stage on now. It's gonna be a little weird because here's the thing. See, we go behind the funny moments, but we're in front of the counter. But then after we tag, suddenly we're in front of everything, which is gonna be a little weird, but that's just kind of how it is. Does the ring? The ring ends up behind a little. The ring and its little icons should really be in front. But that's something we would have to kind of do every single time. Front. Front. Put that in the completely wrong order. Alright. So now it shouldn't really be behind too many things. Yeah, it looks like it's in front of things like it's supposed to be now.
A bomb. A bomb.
Okay. One thing to keep in mind is we probably want to actually... Let me see how this would work. Where's the code for actually selecting an item? Sure, it'd be nice if Click and Play supported fucking... comments. It doesn't, and I have to look through to see where the code is for selecting icons. That's the basic attacks. This is the oh god, this sucks. Here we're using an item, but when did we select the item? Okay. Visible. Checking for visibility. If we're checking for visibility, then that means we already have some code set up to make it so we can only use the items if we have the items. So theoretically, if we want to start without all the items, we just have to make them invisible at the start of the stage. I think. Although we are going to start with a default item selected, which is annoying, but we can probably code around that. Oh, I'm holding the wrong buttons.
Ay, caramba!
Okay, so let's test this. If I go to the start... and... I make the item icons invisible, then theoretically, I should start with the main item equipped. Yep. But I won't be able to switch to the other items. Like, this would give me the bomb. But I still have this. Okay. So what we can do... I believe what's happening is the item is looking for the... Before we use an item, it checks the value A of that item box. If it's 0, it's the primary item. If it's 1, it should be the secondary item. Yes, so why don't we just start the level and set it to -1, then theoretically we shouldn't be able to use any item, right? Start things off with. Okay, so then if I press the item button, nothing happens. Good. Now if I try to switch to an item, still nothing. Good. I'll switch to Bart. Item button does nothing. Switching items does nothing. Good. Okay, so we can start off with no items and that works. Okay, so we can start off with no items, and we can give ourselves items later in the stage. We can start off, and the only thing we can do is switch.
Ow! Oh, Chip! Ow! What the hell is wrong with you?
Alright. So the first frame should be simple to kind of get the players acquainted to the game. Let's update his icon. Beautiful. Let's put a few of these motherfuckers here. Oh god, I forgot how fast they are. One problem I'm having here is I'm realizing that... And there's not much we can do about this now that we're this deep in. I'm realizing that without the actual dungeon mechanic of having to travel from room to room, figure out where you're going, get the items, the keys and everything, and, you know, play a dungeon, without that, this ends up being extremely kind of bland and simple. Basically, now that we've ripped out the dungeon mechanic out of necessity, we have made a worse version of the Goku stage. That's basically what it's become, and that's pretty sad. Is it just linear? It has to be linear now, because we just don't have enough... We're not able to do enough events with it to make it work. Turn into Smash TV. We're probably going to have to spawn in a bunch of enemies. We're probably just going to have to do that, you know? Kind of spawn things in waves and kind of like, you know, do that. I'm looking at our funny enemies over here and it's making me lol. It's making me XD. Okay. Okay. This is the Dungeon Master, which will hold variables that we use for spawning in enemies and making this a dungeon. Hold on, wait. It's better. It's better. Alright. So, our Dungeon Master is going to control the stage. Let's see, where is our enemies? Okay, so where are we detecting the destruction of the enemy? We need to find their destruction. Destroy. This is it. An alterable value A is greater or equal than 4. That's when we do all this. Okay, so we want to make it so that when this happens, when an enemy gets destroyed, we're going to add 1 to alterable value B. And we'll do that for all of our enemy types. I'm just realizing we should probably update the icons of more of our enemy types here. Let's see. There we go. Sorry, I just wanted to see his beautiful face. Okay. So let's see, where's his destruction event? There it is, down here. Add to value 1. And the same thing for Tito. Add to value 1. Okay. Oh boy, lots of scrolling. Alright. What is this? Funny. Oh, right, that's collecting the funny moment. The funny moment just doesn't have a proper icon. Let's fix that icon. Beautiful. Alright. So now we control. So, value A will control the step that we're on in terms of the enemy spawning. So, ultra value A equals 0. We're at the first step. There's 4 enemies on screen. So once we've destroyed 4 enemies, ultra value B will equal 4. So we'll check if ultra value B is greater than or equal to 4. And if it is... If it is equal to 4, then we move on to the next stage. So we'll set ultra value A. We'll add 1 to ultra value A, and we'll reset ultra value. I can't talk. We reset B. Okay. Yeah, we can have like a hallway in between rooms if we want. We can look at that. Alright. I just noticed this thing in the bottom left corner, the dust bin. I've never clicked on this. What is this? Nothing. I bet you just drag shit down here to delete it. In fact, let's test that. Oh, yeah. I never knew that. Never fucking knew that. In fact, I've never clicked anything on this bar. Continue the game, restart the game, new condition, info. What do you mean information? Oh shit, look at this! We're using 1,924 kilobytes of graphics, 4,916 kilobytes of sounds. We're not using any fonts. Game window, I don't know what that means, 579 kilobytes. Game handling, 116 kilobytes. Total memory use, we're using like 7.5 megabytes of RAM. Holy moly. Never knew that. Doesn't help me, but I never knew it. Okay, so after we destroy them... kind of feel like there should be a brief countdown before the next wave spawns in. Like a brief pause, instead of just you kill the last Goomba and then suddenly a bunch spawn in. Well, we have a third value, so how about we do this? And then we set ultra value C to... I don't know. 100. And then if ultra value C is greater than 0, we subtract 1 from it. Good. So then, to set up the next wave, if ultra value A equals 1, and ultra value C equals 0, and... only run this event once, that's when we spawn in the enemies. When that happens, we're also going to play a sound effect. I know the one I want, we already have it in the game, I just have to find it. I think I'll know it when I see it. Or not, I went way past the section where I thought it was. Alright, so let's test. Alright, Cinco's sending me a message. The dog is rolling around on the couch like a moron. Wait, I'm dying. Oh, why is he stuck on Homer's face? Oops, Homer is dead. Oh shit, look at that. Double kill. Wait for it. For some reason it's not happening. I wonder why. Alright, let's see what we have to work with. I have a delete me that we could use. Right now it's saying it's debugging this value, but let's change this to ultra value B. Let's check. B should count how many guys you've killed. So let's see. We'll pop that into the stage. So it should become 4 once we've killed all of them. 1, 2, well, almost 2. 2, 3. It's gonna become 4, and then it's gonna become 0. Okay, it rolled over to 0. I'm worried that the first time it didn't work because we killed 2 of them at the same time. That could be a problem. Well, let's see if we can recreate that. Because I feel like that could be a major problem. Okay, can we get them together to hit? I need to see. Damn it, okay. Come on. Group up. I want to see if it becomes 3 instead of 4, because that's a major problem. Damn it. They didn't die at the same time. I need to see if I can recreate that bug. Oh man, they separated. Keeping track of them. It's the ones that are heading towards me. Damn it! I really want to see if I can recreate that bug, because if that's real, then that's a problem. Yep, see it's 3? Okay. So we have to do it a different way, because that's a problem. Shit. Okay, no, it's not a huge issue, we just have to do this differently, no problem. Just gotta do it differently. So let's do this. Let's go back to our code. In fact, let's just do it this way. Let's get rid of this ultra value B counter. It's annoying, but we can work around this. So, start of the level, we're gonna destroy all of the I want to do this. Okay, let's add a check. If an enemy's off screen, they're destroyed. In fact, we already have that in place. Collision. Don't think we do. We don't. Okay, so we just need to destroy everything at this when they're off screen. So if he is outside the play area, and him, we destroy them. Destroy, destroy, destroy. Good. And now instead we're going to do this. If ultimate value A equals 0 and there are 0 of all the enemies. Then we add. We can get rid of this check for B. And let's bump up the timer a bit since they kind of happen too fast. Alright. Let's see how that works. Oh boy, that loading lag is brutal. Alright, so that does work. We may not have to have one... See, the way we're doing it right now is we're checking if A equals 0. We may not have to be that specific now that we're just checking if all the enemies are dead. We may be able to generalize this. What's the best way to generalize this? What is the best? Because I don't want it to collide with the spawn of the next wave. Okay, let's do this. Let's first code in the spawn of the next wave, and then we'll figure out if we can generalize things. Have waves spawn in based on a timer. I mean... It's not a bad idea. It's not a bad idea, actually. And I hadn't considered that. We could probably do that. That's just not a bad idea. Okay, we need a timer. I get some timer graphic. I need a font or something to use for a timer. Trying to think of a good font. Did Donkey Kong 64 have a good font? I don't remember. Gamers, do we want characters from Dance Dance Revolution, Disney Dancing Museum, Japan only? Gamers, do we want characters from Deadly Arts / Gasp Fighters Next Ream? Diddy Kong Racing might actually be a good option. I didn't know there was a Die Hard 64. What is this? Alright, here we go. See, I don't remember if there was a font in this. Oh, there's a font. Gamers, do you want dead Wrinkly Kong in the game? Okay. The numbers aren't as good as the letters, but I mean, we can still use it. Okay, what was the alternative? Diddy Kong. I don't know what this means, but it's making me irrationally angry. Let's click on it. This is making me mad too. Let's just use the Donkey Kong 64 one. There we go. Alright, pop that in the paint. We only need this. Now we will save this as a 256.
Holy crap!
Good. Alright, let's set up a... Why do I still have this open? I just realized there was something I probably should have checked here. Hold on. And of course I already closed the webpage, so I'm really smart. The Johnston 7 here, he's got the big brain. See, he knew instantly that this man misspelled the word font, and he was not going to sit by and just let it happen. He was like, wait a second. This is wrong. This is wrong, and I'm not just going to sit here and accept it. I'm not going to keep my mouth shut. I'm going to log in with an active form account. I'm going to make my voice heard. You spelled this word wrong. And I saw that you spelled this word wrong. You can't get nothing past the Johnston. Nothing gets past the Johnston. Nothing! Think you can pull a fast one on the Johnston? You think this is? You think this is? Anyway, I realize we probably need the little 2 dots if we're doing a timer. I don't know if we will or not, but you know. Let's see. Like the 2 dots are done in the style of the text instead of the numbers, but whatever. Maybe we'll need it, maybe we won't. Maybe we will. Who knows? Oh. Timer font.
Holy crap!
Alright. Now we turn this into a thing in the game. Numbers. We did say this is a 256, or yeah, it's a 256. Okay, just had to be sure. A little hard to see what I'm working with here. But we got it. And I suppose we should center the hotspot, like, that makes sense to me. We'll see how it works. I don't know why this has an action point. Like, you would never need an action point on this, but we'll just ignore it. How much you want to bet this hotspot's gonna be all fucked up and it's gonna look like shit? It's a pretty good font. It's a pretty good font. Like, if I had to say that a font was good or not, I'd say this one was pretty good. Gets the job done. Doesn't stink. It's acceptable. I'm pretty sure Click and Play is gonna find a way to fuck it up. And by Click and Play, I mean me. And by me, I mean this hotspot's gonna ruin us. Alright, 9. And there. And you don't get a minus dash, because minus dashes are for the assholes. I guess I said 0. What if I set it to like 37? What's that look like? See the hotspot fucking us up? Okay, you know what? Putting the hotspot on the bottom. That's the lazy way to make it consistent. If it's on the bottom, everything will line up. It's just gonna... It just means the center of the object is at the bottom instead of the center of the object. But it's gonna line everything up real fast and easy, so it doesn't matter. There we go. See? Everything's lined up now. But now that I'm looking at this, like... I kind of feel like the counter should be like twice as large. You know what I mean? Like, it feels tiny. But now it's pixelated. That's definitely the right size for this kind of important counter. But it's all pixelated. Hold on. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do.
Oh.
What's this? Oh, right. The cow. I forgot about that. Okay. Oh, it's probably in the documents folder, actually. Let's say I want these both 200%. Yes. Did that actually smooth anything out? Because that does not... Wait, that didn't smooth anything out. Hold on. Resample the image by cubic. Okay. Wait, is that... No, that can't be right. What? Something feels wrong. That is not bicubically resized at all. This thing is shitting me. I haven't set the resample. Why doesn't one resample? Ugh. Okay, you know what? Fuck you. Okay, sorry, my brain is like getting fucked up. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna upscale it on my computer. Gamers, I can't believe he spelled font wrong. Is he stupid? Is he dumb? Oh, right, I don't have that software on here. Hold on. I have it backed up somewhere. So I thought I did. Yeah, I do. Okay. Let's copy that. Pop it here. There we go. Don't mind me, I'm doing something on my main computer. Did that work? Of course it didn't. Why would anything ever work? For Christ's sake. We'll never know where that file ended up. That worked. Okay. What was the name of that shitty site we were using to transfer files around? Oh god, if I even fucking remember. This is so much effort just because I'm upset about a font. This is so stupid. Is it file bin? It might be file bin. Yeah, it's file bin. Okay. Okay, filebin.net. Stop loading. I need to type something else in. HC6 0F 0 HETWY 28 Sun. There we go, that's increased. Okay. Copy this in the paint. Hold on, make sure we get the whole damn thing. There we go. And then we'll save this. Best timer font.
Holy crap!
Alright, that's better resized. Beautiful. If we're gonna have to look at this font, then it should look decent. It's just how it be. Just logic. It's logical. A good font should look good. Oops. No, I don't want to open the internet. Seven, 8. Wait, what? 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 2, 3, 4. Oh, I see. Whoops. Oopsie. A little confused there for a second. One of these. Okay. Now, we should have a proper font. See, it says 43. You can see other numbers too, like 37. See, all the font is here, performing for you. If you know the words, I'm happy for you. Interesting how it's behind the sprites. I mean, that's a pretty good location for it too, you know? Like, it's easy to see, you can look at it, you can see it, it stinks. Alright, so probably what should happen here is, okay. Timer counts down. When the timer hits 0, it spawns the next wave of enemies. But if there's no enemies on screen because you killed them all, then the timer should probably, you know, it should probably jump to the next part, the next lump of enemies as well. Skip ahead. I think so. That makes sense to me. Okay, tell you what. Give me a second. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Baby. Okay, let's see. So count down, do a thing, and stuff happens. There we go. Okay, so let's always set our counter to alterable value B. Why not? At the start of the level, we will set the alterable value B. Let's try 30. What's that, little girl? What's that? She looked at me, she opened her mouth like she's gonna say something, and she doesn't say anything. Are you sure you don't want to say anything? Now that I want her to say something, she won't. Okay. So every 1 second, we're gonna subtract. Well, every 1 second, if alterable value B is greater than 0, we're gonna subtract from it. And I really wish I could do a tick-tock sound, but because Click and Play can only do one sound at a time, the way we got it set up, that's not going to be feasible. Unfortunately. Variable width fonts can be kind of annoying when you don't want them to have a variable width. That should count down to 0 and then nothing will happen. Yep, count down to 0 and nothing happened. Okay, so. How are we gonna do this? This is the spawn event. Let's set this back to 30. Oh. Little girl! She wants to go make a mess of all of my dirty clothes on the floor, so let's see what she does. Little girl, I see you going instantly for all of the wires and controllers. Please don't. Little girl, what did I just say? Hello? Hello? Come here. Hey. Don't crawl over there in the corner. The one place I don't want you to go. Well, the 2 place, the 3 place, the 4 place. Like the 8th place I don't want you to go. Stop that. No, don't touch the power strip. That's rude too. Who the fuck is Zook? Why does he look like Bulk Bogan? What the fuck game is this? Okay, I want Doom. Oh god. Okay, stop loading. You're loading too much garbage that no one cares about. Good, it overloaded. I'm glad it overloaded. I just want Doom. I just want Doom sprites. All I want is Doom sprites. That's all I'm here for. I'm glad there's just 12 million anime games that nobody cares about listed here. I'm glad someone put the effort into ripping all those graphics. Really glad. And we didn't get to Doom. Okay, we'll just search for it. Where'd it go? Wait, I search for Doom. PC computer. I get Deep Dungeons of Doom and I get Doom Eternal. Where's Doom? Oh, I see. You arbitrarily separated MS-DOS from PC/computer.
That doesn't make any sense. They're the same thing.
Sometimes they just rip the title screen. That's something I've noticed about this site and it annoys the fuck out of me. There was this time period where they had a bunch of updates for like a bajillion games and all they ripped was like the title screen or like the logos before the title screen. I'm pretty sure what they were trying to do was they were trying to pad out their numbers of we have sprites for this many games so they could give some arbitrary milestone of like, we now have 12 gazillion game sprites on our website when like half of them are just like a logo for a defunct shovelware company on the Nintendo DS. Like the teleport effect. Unity port exclusives. You know, Unity on MS-DOS. Yeah. Yeah. This is not what I clicked. This is not what I clicked. What's that? She's holding my hat and saying, hiya? Hiya? Yeah? Your controller's stuck again, little girl. Alright. Which one of these is the teleport effect? There it is. Got it. Legacy of Russ. I don't know what the fuck that is. Am I gonna get the baby Sims 1 and 2 for her birthday? The great thing about her birthday is I could get her literally anything. She'd probably be happy with it. Like, I could get her this empty Taco Bell cup, and she'd be, like, over the moon. I don't even have to try. Like, you ever see those videos on the internet of, like, the kid who opens the Christmas present and then there's a banana in there? And they're really happy about getting that banana. It didn't have to be a banana. It could have been like a crumpled up newspaper, and they'd probably be happy too. Alright, is that all of them? I think I got it. There we go. Okay, let's make sure this is properly duded up. Oops. There we go. What's that, little girl?
Holy crap!
Good, we have a teleport effect. Okay. So we're gonna want the enemies to have a teleport effect when they spawn in. So we will just give them an appearing animation. Go. Let's get all this in here. It's annoying, but it's necessary. Shingo, you don't have to share your fetishes here. I know we're all friends here, but you can keep that one to yourself. Let's see. There we go. That's gonna be a good teleport animation. Shingo, that was mean of me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. That was very mean of me. You didn't deserve that. I know you don't care, but I still feel bad about it. That's a lie, you do care. You don't know the definition of the word mellow if you think I'm mellow. Oops. Oops. There we go. Alright, let's see how that looks, because the speed's gonna be different. Little girl, are you stealing my keys? Are you stealing my car keys? Okay, that was actually a really good speed. Good, okay, good. That's what we want. That's the animation they should have when they spawn in. Let's make sure they all get that. Little girl, stop stealing my car keys! Little girl! Okay, so this is gonna create. As a test, we're gonna spawn in a few more of the regular enemies. This is the first screen and everything. Yep, let's see how that works. Right now, it should only work when we kill them all, so we don't have the timer set to do anything yet. Good, that works good. Alright. So, the annoying thing is really just... The annoying thing is trying to work out the logic in my head to have this work both ways. If all the enemies are dead, and if the timer runs out. Okay, so the countdown for the timer should only happen if C equals 0. Because if C equals 0, then we're not in that little in-between period from when we're switching, you know, waves. Looking at the code here, and like, I really want there to be a way for the phase transitions to happen without specifying each specific phase. If all the enemies are dead, do this, because it really shouldn't make much of a difference. But it's also a thing where it's like, how can I safely do this where it doesn't trigger? I'm just trying to think of a way to do this without bugging everything out, I guess. Okay, a few things. First, the debug value up here, the delete me. Let's change this to track ultra value A. Just so I can keep an eye on that. Okay, so let's try, let's wipe this sucker out. Let's replace this with if C equals 0, which means if there's enemies on screen. If there's enemies on screen, if there's supposed to be enemies on screen and they're all dead, we switch to the next phase. Okay, let's make sure that part triggers correctly. Okay, it's in phase 1, and they spawn. Nope. See, it went to phase 2 now? See the timer up here? Then to phase 3, it skipped over spawning. This is what I was worried about. Could be an ordering bug. If we drag this, the spawner, above it, maybe it'll work, because they were out of order. This might do the trick. Okay, technically we're on phase 1 now, so let's see. Yes, it was an ordering bug, and we just took damage from them spawning in, which is not great. Let's see if we can make it so we don't take damage when they're appearing, necessarily. This is a little tricky, but... We have to hope it's going to detect it playing the stopped animation correctly, otherwise it's not going to work. We'll test it with Homer. Nope, see? It's not detecting it playing the stopped animation. Okay, what if we do this? It is a click and play bug, absolutely. So which animation is finished? When appearing is finished, we make it play stopped. It is annoying that we have to do this, but what else can we do? Oh wow, that doesn't work either! I really hate this animation bug. Alright, well... Shit. I'm trying to think if there's an easy way for me to get around this, because really the animation thing is the best way, but it's broken in click and play. If I kill all these guys, I should jump to phase 2, by the way. Which will have no enemies. Okay, so we're in phase 2. Then 3. Yep, and then it keeps bouncing through because there's no set enemies for these phases. I just had an idea. When we collide with the enemy to take damage, ultra value A gets set to 100, and Omi blinks. So why don't we just do that when we spawn in a wave? Or to both of them. Yep. See, we get a brief invulnerability blink when they spawn in. So that way they can't just spawn on us and instantly hurt us. We get a small grace period. Okay, so next we have to factor in the timer running out. So, alterable value C equals 0, and alterable value B equals 0. And this can only happen once when it loops. At that point, we add 1 to A and set value C to 200. I think. Should be fine. So let's check. So now we have to see if running down the timer spawns the second wave. So we just walk around for 30 seconds. And see if when the timer runs out, we get that second wave spawning in. Little girl, stop that! There it goes. The second wave spawns in. Bam. Okay, good. Little girl, I can see you over there. Okay, so that makes sense. One annoying thing is that the actual wave spawns have to be positioned before these two checks, otherwise it's gonna bug out. Little girl, are you trying to, like, crush yourself to death? Okay. I think Cinco's done taking a fat shit. Let me see if she can wash a baby. I'll be back. Gamers. These peanut butter M&Ms were on clearance for $1.49. So I got some. Let's see. How do I open this? Do I open this? They were just sitting in the grocery store, like in a pile. In a shopping cart in a pile. And I was really tempted to just take the whole shopping cart to the checkout and buy all of them. Let's see. Let's see why these went on clearance. They don't really taste like peanut butter. That's probably why they were on clearance. They really don't taste much like peanut butter. What stopped me, I already had a cart full of food. Yeah, these are kind of disappointing. They just don't taste enough like peanut butter. They taste too much like chocolate. Oh well. What can you do? Do I pile groceries on the baby while I'm shopping? Not directly on her, but she like reaches behind to try and knock the cheese off of the pile of groceries. Very rude. Alright, so wave 2. Oh, nope, that event as well. Okay. A lot of events have to happen on the wave change. Do I use the race car shopping cart? No, it's never available. How come the M&M on this packet is the green one that, you know, it's the green one that rejected Tucker Carlson and drove him to like a fucking rage on live television? I remember her being peanut butter. Spawn in some Arnolds here. Start with 2 of them. Okay, so wave 2 should be an Arnold wave. So let's see how this goes. Well, wave 2, you know. This is technically wave 2 if you count it, but whatever. There they are. They're deadly. Fucking deadly. These are good M&Ms. I mean, they're not, but I'm eating them. I want to say there's an internet post, a popular internet post that went around about someone who got their penis stuck inside the tube of M&M minis and didn't know how to get it out. I don't remember the details though. I just said how disappointing these were, and I still can't stop. I can't fucking stop. What am I supposed to do? According to this, the original price was $2.99, so I got these for 50% off. Alright, they're done. Now I need to find something small and cylindrical to put in this tube. Just gonna drink more water, it's empty. Alright. What did I just do? I want to spawn in a rude number of these guys. So hold on, I have an idea. I have an idea to spawn a rude number of these fuckers. Let's make sure at the start of the frame we destroy him. We also always want him to be invisible. Let's let him be visible for now while we're debugging him. Alright, here's how we're gonna do it. For the next wave. Wave 3. Well, 4 technically. We're doing computer counting here. Play the sound, do the things that need to happen. Create the dude spawner over here. Like right here, just a little bit out. There. Now we need code to make him work. So. Okay. If he's uninitialized, meaning ultimate value A equals 0, then we're going to check his position. If his position... his X position let's do this the lazy way. Let's do this the lazy way. No, let's not. If his X position is less than... what size is this again? 640. 640 and half is 320. And half of that is... 160. Okay. Go over that. So he's uninitialized and his X position is less than or equal to 160. Then we will set his alterable value A to 1. If alterable value A equals 1, we will always set his direction like this. I'm going somewhere with this. I'm just very dumb. Okay. If alterable value A is greater than 0, then we're gonna add alterable value C1. And if alterable value C is greater or equal than some number, I don't know, let's say 50, we destroy him. Okay, so if alterable value A is greater than or equal to 0, every one second, let's say, we will create a guy on top of him at his position in direction of the dude spawner. So let's see what happens with that. I'm very curious to see how this works. Because I have a feeling this is going to be fucked. So let's get to that wave and see how it works. Switch to Bart real quick here. The shoot guy wave. Okay, now this should be the wave where he spawns in. Let's see. He spawned one enemy. Damn it. Okay, how about every 25 stinky seconds? God damn it, that's annoying. Okay, not bad. So let's do this. Let's make his countdown timer instead of 50. Let's set that to like 200. And then he'll spawn enemies every half a second. So let's see if we can get a good balance on this guy. Homer stuck. Homer's doing his racist Chinese cowboy impression. Okay, he's back.
Butterfinger.
That's brutal, but okay. That's kind of what I wanted. I wanted it to be kind of like a slew of them coming in. Was that Arnold? Yeah, that's Arnold. He's our shoot guy. He's our shoot man. He's a gun. Show her Tito. This is Tito. Tito's here. Yeah, I know. Tito's really cute. Yeah. Okay, let's make the thing invisible. So we kind of get the full effect. I want to get the full effect of this. Alright, now we'll see the full effect of the spawner. It was briefly visible for 1 second, but we can probably help it along where we can get invisible in the same event. Let's see. In fact, we'll make it invisible down here, too. Okay, we're getting something. Now, here's the thing. For each screen, we're probably going to want to make some more enemy types. Just because we have 3 enemies, you know, it's not enough variety. But that's fine. The way we're doing it now, it's going to be easier to do that, since we're not constrained by the events we have access to. Okay, so we have something. We have a plan here. It's gonna be a little more of kind of a wave-based thing. Like, we've turned from a Zelda dungeon to this kind of wave of enemies-based what's-it. So, there we go. Yeah, there's something. Or there's something that'll work. Well, there's something that'll work. Anyway, it's 3 o'clock now, so let's go ahead and wrap this shit up. Let's yell that wave. Oh, we're listening to that this whole time.
I'm better than you are. You can die now.
Goodbye, stupid. We've had a lot of fun on your crappy computer. Please don't ever come back.
What the fuck is soy lecithin? And why is so many things have soy lecithin in it? It can't be that good. Anyway. Alright. Spent about 2 hours here working on the game. We're finally getting a good direction for this stupid stage that has been dragging on for way too long. But we finally have a direction for it, so hopefully we can start working through it and getting it wrapped up. Good stuff. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. Tuesday, 9 p.m. Eastern, we're going to continue the Ocarina of Time randomizer. I'm pretty excited for that. I have a plan on how to proceed with that. I saw something pretty good in while going through the old footage again. That should give us a good lead, so looking forward to that. But yeah, usual stuff at the usual times. Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern for more Spirit tracks. Next Saturday, 1 p.m. Eastern, more working on this game. Yeah. Alright, thanks again for watching. Really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. I'm gonna try really hard to not eat the other 4 tubes of peanut butter M&M minis I have in my pantry. And also to not get my penis stuck in here.